have 3 different pricing formulas that I work with. So sometimes that surprises people. There's not just one right answer, okay? There are multiple pricing strategies and formulas. So let's go through this today and try to help you figure out some answers to the pricing around your floral design products. Okay, so let's work through a few prompts for you first, because there's a few things that you must be aware of in your business before you can figure out your pricing strategy. So first of all, what are your products? Do you work on floral deliveries? Do you work in the event space, like with weddings and small events? Do you do pop-up markets? What is your product? And probably you have more than one. So let's start with 3 if you have that many. If you have one, just write down the 1, okay? So next, we need to figure out your market and your client base. And we need to understand kind of a range of what comparable businesses in your area or in your market are charging. So the way to figure this out is, tell me, do you know who your customer is? What are your customers' values? Are they looking at saving money? Are they interested in local flowers, sustainability, luxury? Maybe pricing isn't even one of their values. They just want really beautiful and beautifully presented flowers, okay? So hopefully you have an answer there. If you don't, you need to figure that out, okay? And then I need you to make a list of other businesses in your area. It could be your physical area, maybe it's online. Businesses that are also targeting these customers within either your physical region or online if your product is available online, say it's dried flowers or something like that. So make a list of 10 businesses if you can find that many, and let's look at what they are charging for similar products to similar customers, okay? And I think it's really interesting to do, because you can kind of break it down and say, oh, okay, this florist over here is very much targeting a luxury customer. They have beautiful packaging and product, and it's very shoppable and very easy for somebody to just click and buy a $500 arrangement. And it looks like they have customers who are doing that. So it really gives you an idea of what's possible in your market. And on the flip side of things, here's a florist who's working mostly in pop-up markets, and they really believe a lot in accessibility of flowers for everyone, and they're working with local flowers, and they're doing small posies and sweet jam jar arrangements, and they're popping up at markets and doing community workshops and things like that. And really making flowers accessible to everyone. Both of those are completely fine business models. We just need to understand which one you are and what the sort of range of prices is there. It's a really good thing to be aware of as you begin to craft your floral pricing guide. Three is really a lot around your personal business infrastructure and your personal life a little bit. So first of all, we need to know what is your rent for your floral studio. If it's part of your house, you need to break down how much of your house payment or rent you're paying towards the area that you work in. Do you have major transport costs? Do you rent or do you lease a van that you use? Do you have employees, freelancers, contractors that help you? These are some major some big costs that we need to be aware of. And the next is, what does your salary need to be? To support the lifestyle you have now, what is the salary you need to make? And this can be a little bit tricky. So for instance, I have supported myself for 25 years with my floral business, save for 3 years when I took a little bit of a break. But I don't have another income coming in. So, maybe you're a double income household, whatever your contribution needs to be, whatever you need to be comfortable. And then you can also make like a goal salary, but maybe let's just start out with meeting your needs, because normally when you start a business, you're just going to be meeting your needs first. And then on top of that, we want to make sure that the business is profitable and you can put money back into the business. So these are some major questions to start answering about your business as you begin crafting your floral pricing strategy, your floral pricing guide, and your floral design business plan. So I would love to share with you one of my pricing formulas that generally I use for, like, say a centerpiece or a delivery arrangement. I have that in the description box below. It's totally free. You do need to enter your email, but you can get unsubscribe at any time. Okay, and also I did want to mention I'm doing a fun workshop with our career students at the Flower School online on Zoom to work through everybody's pricing strategy, and that'll be beginning in a few days. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below to find out more information on that. If you're not ready for that step yet, just grab the free download and you can start to work through this on your own, and then you can have a little peek into my business and see what I'm using, because it's kind of a cheat sheet for you to start crafting your plan. Okay, I hope you find it helpful, and if you have a moment, leave a comment for me in the comment section under this video so that I can learn more about you and your business, maybe what you're struggling to achieve right now on the business end of your floral business, or are you just starting out? So I'm always happy to share tips with you, and you can always get in contact with me through my website. And thank you so much for watching this video today. I will see you soon.